Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide content on Pinterest. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, give your login details and log into your Pinterest account. Now on your screen, you can see options like Saved, Inbox, Create, Search and Home. Now on your home, when you're surfing, if you see a content that you want to hide, all you have to do is long press on that content. Then you can see a small menu appearing with a pin, with the eye with a cross and a share. All you have to do is slide a finger and tap on that eye-like option, which is hide. And you have to select why you want to hide that. They're gonna give you suggestions like blurry or hard to read if it's not in your language, or if you've seen that pin too many times, or it's irrelevant to you, or select other. I'm gonna select other, and there you go. It's gonna hide from your feed. And guys, that's it. That's how you hide your content on Pinterest. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.